I'm doing a drive test days before. In this test, I need to identify the hard drive types. Are they SSDs or HDDs? Here I will share a very easy way to get it. Method 1, using the Optimize Drives tool. Press Windows +R to open the Run dialog. Type if for GUI and hit Enter to launch the Optimize Drives tool. Navigate to the MediaType column. Here, Windows clearly labels each disk as either SSD or HDD, making it easy to identify. Method 2, using PowerShell to differentiate SSDs and HDDs. Right-click the Windows logo. Select Windows PowerShell Admin to open it. In PowerShell, enter the command Get-PhysicalDisk vertical bar select object FriendlyName, MediaType. This command lists all physical disks with their respective types, unspecified, HDD, or SSD. Whether you're upgrading your system or troubleshooting performance issues, understanding your disk type is essential. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials.